Hi my beautiful sugar plums, welcome back to Kaylee OPS, and we are going to do blind bags. Now, there's 7 of them, and it was literally $21, so let's get into them, guys. Okay, so we have kitty in my pocket. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these ones, and then 2 of the puppy in my pockets. Now we will be opening one of them. Let me do this. Hi guys, I'm Kato. Yes. Stop it. Can I say hi? Yeah, you can say hi. Hi guys. Okay. Okay, stop moving my camera. I don't want to be in it. Camera fell. I'll just hold it. Okay, so we got this dog. It's really, really cute. It has a pink tie on it. Yeah, take the garbage. And then I will give you guys a checklist. Hold on. Look. Okay, guys. Can you hold it out for them? Yeah. Like this. Guys, I'm Kate OPS, her little assistant today. Yep. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already did that. Kitty in my pockets and 2 puppy in my pocket. Okay, can you figure out? Okay, guys, so this is the first side of the checklist. And on the other side, it just has these ones. Find this puppy. We're trying to find it or the special kitty. Yep, the special kitty is which one, actually? It's the golden one. Oh, yeah, I think it's a golden one, right? It is. So which one is this one? It's Peppermint. Right here, guys. This is Peppermint. This is Peppermint. He's so cute. It's so sad because there's 2 puppy in my pockets. But it's okay. We're going to get more eventually. Okay, next one. Who is this little guy? Okay. Excuse me, Peppermint. Oh, you saw that one. This one is a pug. No, okay, that was a different one. Oh. This one's a pug. It's so cute. It's a little puppy. Oh, how cute. Shut this. Can't hurt. Shut me. Okay, which one is this one? It is this one. His name is Bane. Okay, now we're going to be opening kitty in my pockets. Okay, guys, we're going to be opening up kitty in my pockets. Kitty in my pockets. Okay, we're going to do the checklist first. This is my favorite part. Yep, because we love cats on Kaylee OPS. No, I also go follow Loha's channel on TikTok. Okay, guys, we're gonna be trying to find Misha, the ultra rare. Basically a limited edition, but you know, here's all the kitties. By the way, and if one of the cats look like our cat, we get one of us gets to keep it. Yep. And then we can find this one. Her name is Misha. She's a Russian blue. Okay. Okay, you can just throw this checklist away. We already have one. Or you can keep it. It don't matter. Okay, what is the, Guys, let me tell you something. What's the kitty? Okay, guys, let me tell you something. So if the cat looks like, you guys know what Minx and Aloha is, right? Yeah, they know. I've showed them. If it looks like one of them, then we get to keep it. Okay, here's this one. Oh, darn it. It's so cute. She's laying in a cat bowl. Let me find her name, guys. Sorry, I keep having to do that. It's because I am on my phone. So, which one? It is this one. Focus. Okay. Her name is Buttercup. And she's a white domestic short hair.
You never see white cats around in America, guys.
No, not really. Maybe
you only see the plain cats like Minx over here.
Okay, next kitty. It's gonna be like a 10 to 15 minute episode here, guys. That's pretty impressive on my channel. Oh, so I'll keep the checklist over here. You can just throw the checklist away. Okay, guys. This one is gonna be so cute. Katie's gonna love this one. It's Puff.
Can I keep that?
It's a gray tabby.
Can I keep that?
No.
Oh, it looks like my Elon.
Here, you can keep it for Elon. Elon! Look, Vital. He's looking at it. He wants it. Elon. He wants. It looks just like him.
He likes it.
Elon. Okay, next one.
We need to find one that looks like Minx.
Yeah.
Hand me the wrappers.
There's another one that looks like Elon. Kind
In
of.
the pantry, you see those fucking nuts. The one outside and the ones inside.
Okay, here's this one. Her name is...
That looks like Alpha.
Her name is not Nugget, but it is... Her name is Bubbles.
That looks like Nala.
Not really, though.
Guys, we had a cat that died 2 months ago.
Yeah, literally. Okay, here's the next one. Here you go. Garbage. Oh, this one might be pretty. Oh, that one's cute. Here's this one. So, let's see. Her name is... 1, 2, 3. Oh, her name is Nugget. Oh, I love that name so much.
Okay, guys, last one. We need to find. Hold on, Mom.
They can wait 2 seconds.
No, they can't. They're annoying.
Feed them something.
I am busy trying to get my groceries out.
It's not one that looks like Aeon.
No, it looks like Angel.
It looks like Alpha.
No, look.
If
Okay, there's this one. It looks like our cat Angel. Okay, and her name is Socks. So yeah, that is all of the blind bags. Let me show you all of them in person. Hey guys, that is all of them. You know, one fell over. That is all of them.
Haley.
I hope you liked this video. Bye.